I just got the clean sweep. Let's talk about it. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Ham Shack TV. Hope you're enjoying your Saturday evening. I wanted to do a special video. I know a lot of you are working on the 13 colonies. Well, guess what? I just got the clean sweep. Let's take a look at it. We'll show you how we've done. So, done this over the last few days. Here's Kilo 2 Alpha, the New York station. And I'm not going to say Kilo 2 every time. So, Alpha was New York station. Got them on the 3rd at 1354. All these times are UTC on 20 meters. Bravo station in Virginia. Got them on the 5th, which would have been yesterday, at on 40 meters, single sideband. Charlie in Rhode Island, got them on the 3rd at 446 on 20 meters FT4. And then, let's see here. Rhode Island, the Charlie, actually I already went through them. Delta in Connecticut, got them on the 3rd on FT8, 20 meters. The Echo Station in Delaware, got them on the 3rd on 20 meters, or excuse me, 40 meters, single sideband. The Maryland Station, Fox, got them on the 3rd, 7074 FT8. Golf, the Georgia Station, got them on the 3rd as well, on FT4 on 20 meters. The Hotel Station in Massachusetts, got them on the 3rd on 40 meters FT8. And then India Station in New Jersey, got them on the 3rd on 40 meters FT8. The Juliet Station in North Carolina, got them on the 3rd as well at 1242 on single sideband 40 meters. Kilo 2 Kilo, got them. The New Hampshire Station, just got them a few minutes ago. That's the one that was straggling on. Got them on 40 meters FT8. Lima Station in South Carolina, got them on the 3rd on 40 meters single sideband. The Mike Station in Pennsylvania, got them at 203 on the 5th, 40 meters FT8. And here's the beautiful part. I got the bonus stations via D-Star, which you are allowed to do. That is a fair way to grab them. WM3PEN, got them on D-Star Reflector 63 Bravo. 63 Bravo. Just a few minutes ago, got the Golf Bravo 13 Charlie Oscar Lima. That's the Great Britain station. Got them on D-Star Reflector 63 Bravo. Matter of fact, he called me. The Penn station called me right after I was calling the Golf Bravo station. So that's a nice twofer right there. Both on D-Star just a few minutes ago. And then finally got the elusive Tango Mike 13 Charlie Oscar Lima. Got him on FT4. I've mistyped this. I'm glad I noticed this. Got him on FT4 just a few minutes ago as well. So, guys, you can do it. There's still time. I believe this is going on until the 8th, if I'm not mistaken, 7th or 8th. So, get out there, work your contacts, get them while the getting's good, and be unconventional. If you're having a hard time capturing some of those bonus stations, check out D-Star. Check out the other methods, FT8, FT4. Don't stick to the just general single sideband or CW. You can find these guys in other places. Clean sweep. Glad I finally did it. It's been a couple of years since I got a clean sweep on the 13 colonies. You send your $5 little money order over to N4ATJ, and you'll get a nice certificate in the mail for completing it. So, really fun event. Love the 13 colonies every year. It's a great way to participate and celebrate America. Guys, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already down below. We're on the drive for 10,000 subscribers, and when we get there, we are going to give away an HF radio right here on Ham Shack TV. Other great things are coming. Don't forget, Amazon Prime Days is coming up as well. I've got a video in the playlist for that. Go check that one out. And use my affiliate link down below for Amazon if you don't mind. That'll certainly help the channel out, and also Still give you the best deals you can possibly get. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video. 73s, 884 WX, WSEB 693.